Our oceans sustain life. An abundant ocean can feed 1 billion people a healthy meal every day forever. But now they are being killed by throwaway plastics. The equivalent of 1 garbage truck of plastic is dumped in the sea every minute. 17.6 billion pounds every year. Plastic is everywhere in our ocean, floating on the surface, mixing in the salt water, and sitting on the ocean bottom, miles and miles deep. And once in the ocean, it never goes away. Over hundreds of years, it breaks down into small pieces. But those pieces, even the tiny ones called microplastics, are still plastic. Sea turtles are choking on it. Scientists say that over 60% of whale and dolphin species are affected by it. Zooplankton, the base of the ocean food chain, eat it. And so do we. It's in the water we drink. It's in our food. Microplastics have been found in our salt, our honey, and our beer. And sometimes even in the air we breathe. Companies are choosing to make something that will be used just once, from a material that lasts forever. If you don't like what throwaway plastics are already doing to our world, brace yourself. We face a tsunami of throwaway plastic in our and the ocean's future. 4 times more plastic will be produced between now and the middle of the century than has been produced in all of history. 4 times more. What can we do?
They seriously had to show dead animals.
Of all the plastic ever generated as of 2015, only 9% was recycled. Even when it is recycled, plastic degrades. Your plastic soda bottle maybe becomes a shampoo bottle, then a floor mat. Even in the best case, it doesn't recycle, it downcycles. And then it becomes pollution that ruins our beaches and chokes sea animals forever. We should not be forced to pollute the ocean every time we eat, drink, or go shopping. We need to be given a choice. A plastic-free choice. This is not hard to imagine. Indeed, some responsible companies are already leading the way. There are throwaway plastic-free aisles in supermarkets. Beverage companies already offer plastic-free soda and salsa water. Restaurants offer plastic-free service. There are plastic-free rooms in hotels. An airline is now offering a plastic-free flight. And Oceania and our allies are winning plastic-free victories. Following campaigning by Oceania, Peru passed a law that keeps plastic out of national parks and beaches. Belize is getting rid of styrofoam. And the European Union has mandated reductions for throwaway plastic throughout its 28 member countries. But with your help, we can do more. Together, we can create a movement to reduce throwaway plastic. We can make sure we're all given real plastic-free choices. We can help our cities, towns, schools, and workplaces establish zones that are free of throwaway plastic. Let's stop plastic pollution from wrecking our beaches and our oceans, and have healthy oceans that delight and sustain us for generations to come. Please join our campaign. Go to oceana.org/plastics today.
Okay, so another, make sure you guys can actually annotate. Now you guys can annotate, so you guys can start.
Wait, Miss, I need to get rid of my chat.
And Jermaine, give your classmates a chance to get some of the puzzle. Don't do all of them yourself. Give your classmates a chance. So,
Someone already find bottle cap or something.
no, it was just part of the game. It's just how the puzzle came.
Miss, I found cup.
Okay.
I found fish.
Remember to cross out the words you guys find already. So, William, you're there, right? I'm not hearing you. And Ariko?
Let's see, fish.
Ariko is there? I'm not
Oh
hearing.
no, it's fishing line.
Yes, I'm there, please.
Oh, I just want to make sure I'm hearing everybody.
Seriously? I was gonna.
Too late.
What is that? Miss, what is that thing right there? I'm not sure.
What is what?
This little green thing. It looks. I can't even see the word.
Is a glass one of them?
Glass bottle. No, it's glass bottle.
Dang it. Okay, thanks.
Anyone want to smoke some cigar?
Trust me. No.
Did anyone find crate?
I don't think so. I don't think
Did anyone
anybody
find any
found.
crate? Did anyone find crate?
No, I don't think anybody found that word as yet.
Oh, found crate.
Radio.
This space is gonna get really jumbled real fast. Someone didn't mark glass bottle off. Someone needs to mark glass bottle off.
There's more words. Can you please scroll down?
Did anyone find fishing net?
No, I don't think
I'm
anybody.
looking for that. I'm looking for that.
I'm gonna find it first too.
It's only fishing line that was found.
Found it. Whoops.
I'm looking for soda can.
You can mark fishing net off the list. Miss, can you mark the stuff, please, Miss?
Okay, I'll mark fishing net. Let me just.
Don't worry, Miss. I already marked it.
Oh, okay then.
C, lumber.
Dang it. Dang it.
Miss, mark off lumber because someone already found lumber. So mark it off.
Okay. Wait, didn't you
What is
find?
this right here? What
Didn't
is
somebody
this? I
find
have this
soda?
word.
Didn't somebody find soda can? Wait, I don't know what this is. This is what's supposed to be rope. I think it's supposed to be rope. Yeah, that's supposed to be.
Miss, I see a C-O-L-E. Cole. I'm not sure.
I think it's supposed to be rope.
No, Miss, it's not supposed to be rope. I see C-O-L-E.
That's not the word on it. You sure it's not rope? The person meant
Miss,
to
it's rope.
rope.
Miss, it's rope.
Where is it? Where is rope?
Here, it's right.
See right there.
That it says C-L-E that has L and E in it. How is that rope?
Alright, somebody has got soda can.
Did anyone find paintbrush? Did anyone find paintbrush? Miss, mark off paintbrush.
Okay.
You can't find tire?
Straw.
It's there. I see it.
Miss, mark off.
Found straw.
Okay.
You didn't. Oh, you did. Time to find radio. Found it.
Just wait. I'm wondering how to find words in this.
Wait, somebody find cup? Did somebody find cup?
Cup? No, I didn't find cup.
Cup.
Yeah, cup is a
I
word.
found it. I found it.
You found it. Where is it?
Yeah, Jermaine circled it.
Oh, I circled it.
Oh, well, yeah. Or somebody else did. Right here.
Where is it?
Okay, I already circled it now.
Okay, I think that's everything.
Color was it circled in?